In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background in Luminar Neo. We'll take a portrait, cut it free from its original scene with AI, and place it on a fresh background, all inside Luminar Neo. This workflow is fast, beginner-friendly, and perfect when you want a clean, studio-style look or a creative composite. Start in the Edit view. With your photo open, head to Layer Properties and open Masking. Choose Portrait Background. This command tells Luminar to look for a person in the frame. Now click Remove. In most portraits, the AI detects the subject in one pass, lifting them cleanly while dropping the background. It's especially reliable when the person is clearly separated from busy elements, so well-lit images with good contrast tend to get the best results. Take a moment to zoom in and scan edges like hair, shoulders, and hands. Background removal uses AI, which isn't always perfect, so minor touch-ups are normal. If you see halos or missing strands, use the masking controls to refine those edges until they look natural against transparency. If the portrait background option doesn't appear on your system, some versions of Luminar Neo require the background removal AI extension. Make sure it's installed and your software is up to date. When the cutout is successful, Luminar shows the checkerboard pattern behind your subject. That's transparency. View the image at 100% while you check tricky areas like fine hair, glasses rims, or semi-transparent fabrics, since these details are where AI can need a quick assist. Once the background is removed, it's time to drop in a new one. Open the Layers panel, click the plus icon to add image, and choose the background you want to use. You'll see it appear as a new layer. Drag that layer below your subject layer. Layers work like a stack. Whatever sits on top is what you'll see in front. By placing the new background underneath, your subject appears on that scene. If your background is much larger or smaller than the original, scale it thoughtfully so textures and horizons feel believable. Preview the result at full size. If the subject feels cut out too sharply, soften the mask edges slightly so the blend looks realistic. Matching the perspective, lighting direction, and color temperature between your subject and the new background will sell the effect, so pick a background that complements your photo. That's the entire workflow. Remove with portrait background, then add and position your replacement backdrop under the subject. With a little edge refinement, you'll get a clean, convincing result in just a few clicks. And that's how you can replace a background in Luminar Neo quickly and confidently.